Welcome to this Petites Mains Creative Fashion tutorial. We're going to show you how to make the Play With Me knitted scarf with long, silky fringes. It's easily done only using simple knitting stitches. We guarantee your scarf is going to look great, even if you have no prior knowledge on how to knit. Start by measuring up 1.5 arm lengths, or 2 meters from the tail of the yarn. Now, you don't need to do a slip knot. Make a simple loop, bring the tail yarn around, take it through the loop, and tighten. We're going to show you this again. Make a simple loop, bring the yarn around, take it through the loop, and tighten. Take both of your sticks in your right hand and put them through the slip knot. Tighten the knot. Now you will start the cast-on process. Make a gun shape with your left hand and put the yarn between your thumb and index finger. If you are left-handed, it's the other way around, of course. Take both sticks and go underneath the yarn by the thumb. Then continue underneath the yarn by the index finger, pull through, and tighten. Repeat until you have casted on 22 stitches. We are using rather thick, luxurious merino wool yarn, around 8mm sticks, which makes this a perfect newbie knitting project. You can even do this in front of your favorite TV show or while hanging out with friends. Pull out one of the sticks. You are ready to knit row 1. Simply lift over the first stitch from the left to the right stick. This will keep the edges of your scarf straight and neat. Do this every row you knit. Take the right stick, go into the stitch, pick up the yarn, and go from the back to the front of the stick. Pull the strand of yarn you just looped around the stick through the stitch. Push the stick through and drop the stitch off the stick. When completed 4 rows of knitting, measure the width of your work. It can't exceed 19 centimeters if the fringes are going to fit. We used all the yarn balls as we think it's super cool with a really long scarf. To cast off, you lift off the first stitch in the same way you have done in the beginning of all rows. Knit the second stitch, and now you have 2 stitches on your right hand stick. Reach back with your left stick, bring it in under the first stitch and lift it up. Finish the row and secure any loose yarn tails with your darning needle. Fringe time! Fold one of the pieces of fringe over the end of the scarf, so it consists of a double fringed end. Sew on the fringes with the thinner yarn and darning needle you find in the box. Repeat on the other side. Don't worry about doing a perfect job. Minor mistakes won't show, since it's all in black. Give your scarf the last decorative touch by sewing on the beautiful golden flower patches. We put a sewing needle and some thread in the box for you to use. This is the perfect gift for you or your chic friend to stroll around town with. To find out more about the amazing jewelry, go to petitesrev.com, our great online magazine.